Resilient identity, the self that refuses to break. What if I told you, the strongest people aren't the ones who never fall. They're the ones who rebuild themselves so many times that failure no longer recognizes them. Because identity isn't forged in comfort, it's forged in fire. Every heartbreak, every rejection, every betrayal, every setback, they don't just test who you are, they reveal who you're becoming. This is the human code of resilient identity. Imagine an ancient tree standing alone on the edge of a cliff. For decades, storms have ripped through its branches. Lightning has scarred its trunk. The wind has bent it in impossible directions, yet every spring, it blooms again. Why? Because resilience isn't about protecting the branches, it's about strengthening the roots. Human identity works the same way. Many people build their identity on things that can disappear overnight. A job, relationship, money, status, appearance. When those things collapse, they feel like they've lost themselves, but they haven't. They've only lost the things. They're confused with who they are. A resilient identity isn't built on circumstances. It's built on values. Psychologists have discovered something fascinating. People who recover fastest from adversity don't avoid pain. They create meaning from it. Instead of asking, "Why did this happen to me?" they ask, "What is this teaching me?" That single shift changes everything. Your brain begins searching for growth instead of defeat. Every challenge becomes information. Every mistake becomes training. Every ending becomes the beginning of a wiser version of yourself. That's how resilient people think, not because life is easier for them, but because their identity is stronger than their circumstances. Here's the hidden code. Most people never learn. You are not your worst mistake. You are not your greatest success. You are not the opinions people have of you. You are the person who keeps choosing who to become. Identity is not a destination. It's a decision repeated every single day. Every morning, life quietly asks, "Who are you today?" And every action becomes your answer. When you choose courage over fear, integrity over convenience, growth over comfort, you're rewriting your identity in real time. The turning point. The strongest identities aren't unbreakable. They've simply survived being broken before. They've learned that losing everything isn't the same as losing yourself. Because your circumstances may change, your title may change, your relationships may change, even your dreams may evolve. But the person who continues to learn to adapt, to stand back up, can you never truly be defeated. Resilience isn't the absence of struggle. It's the refusal to let struggle define you. So the next time life shakes your world, don't ask whether you're strong enough. Ask yourself a better question. What kind of person am I becoming because of this? Because storms don't create strong identities, they reveal them. And perhaps your greatest strength isn't waiting at the end of your journey. Perhaps it's already growing inside you. You just haven't noticed it yet. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.